What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing a Weapon R coolant overflow tank that my homie John gifted to me. See, I got it right here. You know, I don't know too much about these. I do know that the stock one is shit. So anything will be better than the stock one, in my opinion. Here's an overflow tank. I think he supplied with me all the clamps I need. All I have is a screwdriver right now, so hopefully we could do the install with just a screwdriver and manage to make everything else work. If not, I'll be continuing this video later. So as you can see, here's a stock overflow tank. As you can see, pretty crappy. You know, water cap fill. I have seen some videos where they actually paint these black, which comes out pretty nice, but you won't be able to tell where your coolant level is. Actually, it looks like mine is overflowing. It's over the max. So honestly, if it weren't for my boy gifting me that, I probably would have never done this mod. The ugly little thing, you know. I do want to get the JDM battery cover. Maybe paint them white. I've seen a G35 that actually painted them white, and it goes hard, dog. But yeah, I'm missing a cap right here. Oh yeah, I'll probably do all three of these, to be honest, in the long run. But for now, yeah. For now, we got the overflow tank. Hopefully I could get that little bolt off. If not, then, you know, we'll find a way. But yeah, here's that's nice. Look at that. Check it. Yo, shout out John, bro. He gave this to me for free, bro. That's a beautiful. I like this part right here. That's where you show your reading. I don't want to bleed the system, so hopefully I could just pull it off this hose right here and do it that way, but we'll see. Should mount right up. I might have to bend it a little bit. Not too sure if it'll. It looks like it might. So fingers crossed. It also comes with the braided hose and these little clamps. So yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so we got lucky, guys. It wasn't on there super tight, so I was just able to do it with my hand. This is gonna come off for sure. Put this right here. And it's also being held on by something else. It's like a little something right here. It might just come out. Oh, I think it comes out this way, like that. As you can see, the bracket right there just slides out. But I do want to make sure I don't oh, there's a hose right there, so just be careful pulling it out, you know, like that. Make sure the hose doesn't come loose or anything. But yeah, we're probably gonna be this looks like just pure water, man. But yeah, we're gonna be just bending the hose that way it doesn't leak out, and then trying to slap it onto the new one. I don't know if I could do that with one hand, but we'll go ahead and try. All right, so there's two bolts right here. I'm not sure if you could see. There's two bolts right here holding this bracket, so we might have to remove that so it could fit okay. But as of right now, we're just gonna try to mock it up, you know, bolt it right here, and hopefully it fits nice and flush. We're gonna replace this old hose with the new braided hose, and yeah, we're gonna try to make it work that way without removing the bracket. But if we do have to, we'll probably do that at a later date. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Alright, so here's a mock-up I did real quick. I'll show you what I did right now. Kind of just test fitting it. This is probably how it's gonna look before I tighten it. I still need to put on the hose, the other one. But so here's what I did. It actually fit pretty good. So what I did was I had to bend this bracket right here. I kind of just put it right here and, you know, try to see how much it needed. I took it out, you know, I bent it a little bit just by force. Then it needed a little bit, it needed this part to go up a bit. So what I did is you could like put like a cloth right here so it won't scratch it up, and just you know, use leverage, you know, a hard point right here like that to bend it. And then the other thing I did was, those brackets were getting in the way, but they're actually quite malleable. You could just bend them, you see? So what I did was just bend them down. They're sticking straight up instead of taking it off. I might take it off at a later date, but for now, I just bent them down. And yeah, it fit right in, with just minor bending. Now I'm gonna just take off this hose, put it on this one, and clamp it down, and we should be set. I'm actually quite low on steering fluid. Check your steering fluid, y'all. All right, so I went ahead and pulled out the old one. Make sure your car's not hot, guys. And then you just slide this one on, and you're gonna tighten this up right here. Shit fucking sucks. I don't have a screwdriver on me, so I'm just gonna be using an old key. There's a will, there's a way, guys. I would highly suggest against using a key to do this, but this is for my old G35, so I won't be needing this one anymore. So I could tighten this thing up a bit. You don't want to over tighten these because they will actually break, and then they won't work anymore. Just make sure it's pretty good. As you can see, it's kind of starting to get tapered down. You know, tug on it a little bit. Should be good right there. All right, guys. So I actually ran it through the top, and as you can see, it's pinching. So what I'm gonna do is just take this one off and run it under instead. I also took off this piece just so I could have some more clearance. That's air duct right there. So I'm a little bit worried about the hose getting caught because it's like this. So I'm gonna probably try to zip tie it somewhere like that, just so it can have a cleaner look, and it won't get caught with the, you know, the belt right here. There's fans too, so I'll probably just zip tie it to this somehow. If you guys don't carry zip ties in your car, I would suggest you to just go buy some right now and just leave them in your car, man, because one day, trust me, you're gonna need them one day. All right, so I zip tied it just so it doesn't go anywhere. Then I'm gonna just cover it up with this right here. It makes it look a lot cleaner. This is actually a really nice cap. The cool thing about this one is it actually will mark the level of where your coolant is. You can see, you guys can see, but that little tube will actually fill up. depending on what your coolant is. It's pretty nice. But yeah, let me know what you guys think on this weapon art piece. Once again, shout out John man for this piece. He gave it to me for no charge at all. Give me a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you're not already, man. I post a lot of G35 content, EQ35DE content. I'm on like my fourth or fifth motor already. We're not stopping. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, man. I'll be back soon with another video. Peace.